Good morning, August 4th, September 4th, 2025. We're going to the Talala Trail, up to the Duck Pond, Talala Trail, Plum Valley, Duck Pond, and then the Fenceline Trail. Okay, so, and we got Jeff going with us, and there's the girl. All right, onward. Such a good girl. Such a happy girl. Yay. I see this black stuff all over the place and I can't figure out what it is, man. Well, that's what I'm thinking. I wonder if it's some sort of... Well, it is obviously some sort of soil biota. It's where people came out here while it was still muddy, when it was closed. Bad attitude bunnies. Bunnies with bad attitudes. That's what she's sniffing. Because they won't hold still long enough to get chased. They just run off and hide. They don't understand. She just wants to play.
Be ready for one of those black bags.
Okay. I'll hand it to you. Or I could just go back to the truck real quick and get some duct tape.
Hold it up for me?
No, duct tape it to your ass.
You don't have to watch, I'll do the aiming.
I won't have to watch because it'll be taped to your ass. That's what I like coming out here. Smell the wood fire. Mm-hmm. Keira, wait. Wait, cross. Come on.
There you go, hiking with you. It's going to be uphill both ways, isn't it?
Yes. and it's going to be snowing here in a few minutes. And guess what? You're back in school.
Oh God, am I naked in front of the class?
You've seen the pictures, huh? There, we got the first good sound out of him. A good, oh, yeah, wasn't that great? the only way I've ever seen them. No flowers, no nothing. I mean, no leaves, no nothing.
Oh.
Stem, flower. And you'll see them from this point forward all over the place. Never a leaf, just a stem and a flower. Huh?
Borrow your stick for a second.
Oh, so you have to buy another pair for work?
Yeah, or another pair for out here.
Yeah.
I have so much problems with my feet, but I am so comfortable right now.
Well, that's why I had 3 pairs of the same shoe. 2 gray and a blue. One pair I used for stuff like this, and the other pair I tried to remember to use only. Yeah.
Reorder the New Balance, because I originally had ordered some New Balance, and then it was like, oh, it's not going to come until September 13th, and I'm like, oh, goddamn. I found these are another Rough Road brand, or a brand that I've heard of, because now
Keira, wait.
there are different shoes on the market than I'm aware of. I see people wearing all these shoes that say Hoka on it, H-O-K-A.
Yeah, come on, cross.
I never heard of them, but they're really popular. Everyone's wearing them. They're Chinese, I think. Everybody loves them.
Back down into the depths of the Plum Valley. Oh, that was good. I love the taste of spider webs in the morning. See all the pea gravel? I bet this thing was covered with pea gravel at one time. This is probably the original trail that was here. I mean, oh, the park. We're going left, baby. We're going left. Yeah, that's it. Watch your toes through here. There's a lot of stuff to catch it. To the left, baby. Yep. It's actually easier coming from this direction. Because coming from the other direction, you get all the height all at once, twice. This way it sort of leads up slowly to the high point. This is where the pissing and moaning starts. Oh, this is so difficult. Yeah.
Just the wind?
Yeah. That or gnomes, one of the two. I can't remember. I brought Mystic down here and she had to go swimming on me down here in the bottom of this. See, when she went swimming in there, this thing had 4 foot of water in it. Ooh, slick rock. That is slick. Okay, here we go. Watch out, sweetie, don't get in Daddy's way here. You got what?
Ants all over my arm.
Yeah, I don't see any movement on your legs. No. They must have been up on some bush or something. They do that in the willow tree out back.
Well, that's a little sappy, isn't it?
Yeah, I think that's why they're up there. They're up there getting some of the sap. I'm coming, sweetie. You can go on, man.
Well, it's getting rough.
Yeah, but this is it. Smooth sailing from this point. Mostly. Okay. Another moment here.
Hold on. This is the flower to it.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Here,
Here,
sweetie.
watch out, baby.
Come here.
Watch out.
Keira. Come.
This is what this stuff flowers. That. Look at that. So vibrant in color. Oh man. And this comes up out of these little plants. Wow. Good eye, man. Huh. There's a red bud. Where'd that come from? Must have been pooped out by some bird. That's a happy girl walking with her two guys. She is a happy, happy girl. Downhill all the way back.
You know,
Yes,
why are we
baby.
supposed to be wearing blue jeans? Isn't that how a real man looks? And works out. Nothing but blue jeans.
Oh, no, no, no. No, no.
It's recommended by the health department now?
No.
Is there, can we go back to the cesspool for a swim?
That's so silly. Yay, we survived.